Hello viewers and welcome to Courts Today by Live Law. Let us get to today's top headlines. In the Atul Subhash Sucide matter, the Karnataka High Court has refused to stay investigation against his wife. The Punjab government today told the Supreme Court that protesting farmers have agreed to meet Justice Nawab Singh committee today. The Allahabad High Court has today extended stay on arrest of Mohammed Zubair till 16th January in the Yati Narsinghanand ex post case. The apex court has quashed the cheating case against Goa MLA Vinayak Arolkar. The Supreme Court has transferred petitions filed against a thsi probe into Amazon Flipkart to Karnataka High Court. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has asked media not to publish fake news regarding Union Carbide waste from the Bhopal gas tragedy disposal at Pithampur. Supreme Court has sought data from Union on Tribunal vacancies and has suggested circuit benches for the Armed Forces Tribunal. I am your host Urvashi Chauhan with your daily roundup of legal updates from across the country. Before moving ahead, let me tell you, Live Law Academy is offering a value-packed opportunity for the aspiring judges out there. I am talking about the Judicial Service Examinations Preparation course. This comprehensive online course is designed to help you prepare for your judiciary exams. Classes are conducted by expert faculty, including retired judges. You would learn from actual case studies and other easy-to-follow study material. And you get all of this at a very affordable fee. So if you are gearing up for the judiciary exams, this is a must-check opportunity for you. Enroll today and get 20% scholarship. Rest of the details you can check at www.livelawacademy.com and the link has been provided in the description. The Karnataka High Court today said that it cannot quash the complaint filed against Nikita Singhania for allegedly abetting the suicide of her husband Atul Subhash, a Bangalore-based techie, because Prima Facie ingredients of the offence are made out in the complaint. Atul Subhash, you must be aware, died by suicide on 9th December. He left behind a video which went viral on social media accusing his wife and in-laws of harassing him by filing false matrimonial cases. An FIR was lodged against his wife Nikita and her 3 family members by Atul's brother. They were granted bail by a court in Bengaluru last week. Today, Justice S.R. Krishnakumar refused to stay the investigation involving allegations of abetment to suicide. The petitioners here had argued that the complaint did not show any actions on their part to justify such a case. But the judge pointed out that the complaint provided enough details to establish the necessary elements for abetment. The court has today issued a notice to the respondents and scheduled the next hearing in 2 weeks. In the next update, the Supreme Court today adjourned the hearing on the farmers' protest after being informed by the state of Punjab that the protesting farmers had agreed to meet with retired Justice Nawab Singh, who is the chairperson of the high-powered committee set up to negotiate with them. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, representing Punjab, told the bench of Justices Suryakant and N.K. Singh that the meeting was scheduled for 3 p.m. today, expressing hope for a breakthrough. Previously, the farmers group Samyukta Kisan Morcha had actually refused to meet with the panel formed by the Supreme Court last September. Last week, the bench criticized the state for not complying with the order to take a protesting farmer Dalewal, who is on a hunger strike since 26 November, to the hospital. The court clarified that while it did not order Dalewal to end his fast, he should receive medical care under supervision. Let me tell you here, Dalewal, who is also a cancer patient, has refused medical help despite his declining health, insisting on government intervention to meet farmers' demands, including a legal guarantee for minimum support price for crops. His condition has worsened to the point where he can no longer drink water, and even if he ends his fast, his full recovery is uncertain. The Allahabad High Court has today extended the stay on the arrest of Alt News co-founder Mohammad Zubair till 16th January. This extension was granted to allow Zubair 10 days to file a rejoinder to the state government's response concerning an FIR filed against him over a post on X about an alleged inflammatory speech by Yati Narsinghanand. Zubair had posted a series of videos on 3rd October highlighting Narsinghanand's alleged inflammatory remarks about Prophet Muhammad and questioning the Uttar Pradesh police on the actions taken against him. After this, the FIR lodged by Ghaziabad police accused Zubair of promoting enmity among religious groups. The complaint was filed by an associate of Yati, Narsinghanand. Last month, the High Court stayed Zubair's arrest until today, noting that he was not a dreaded criminal. Today, the bench of Justice Siddharth Verma and Justice Yogendra Kumar Srivastava extended the stay further while hearing Zubair's plea challenging the FIR. And now let me tell you, the Supreme Court has today quashed a cheating case against Goa MLA Vinayak Arolkar related to alleged land grabbing and fraudulent property sales. The bench comprising Justice Abhay Oak and Justice Ujjal Bhuya overturned the Bombay High Court's decision, which had dismissed Arolkar's plea to quash the case. Arolkar served as a director of the Goa Tourism Development Corporation and became an MLA from Mandiram in 2022 on the Maharashtravadi Gomantak Party ticket. The case began with an FIR in the year 2020 and was later handed over to Special Investigation Team of the Economic Offences Cell. The complainant, claiming to be a co-owner of the disputed property, had accused Arolkar of fraudulently selling parts of the property to third parties while hiding the complainant's ownership. Allegations also included the unauthorized subdivision and sale of over 200 plots from the undivided property. Arolkar had argued before the High Court that the FIR did not establish a case under Section 420 of IPC, asserting that the matter was civil and politically motivated. The state, however, presented an investigation report suggesting sufficient grounds for the FIR, stating that Arolkar, as a power of attorney holder, sold plots without acknowledging the complainant's rights. The High Court had stressed that quashing FIRs should be rare and only done when no clear offence is evident, allowing investigation to continue without early court interference. Thus, it had quashed Arolkar's petition, but now the Supreme Court has quashed the case against him. The Apex Court has today transferred to the Karnataka High Court multiple writ petitions pending in various high courts challenging Competition Commission of India's investigation into alleged anti-competitive practices by Amazon and Flipkart associated sellers. In January 2020, CCI had directed the Director General to probe the allegations of violation of Competition Act by these e-commerce companies. The order was passed by the Commission on a Prima Facie finding that they were giving undue promotion to some sellers over other smaller sellers. In August 2024, the CCI concluded its investigation, finding that Amazon and Flipkart had violated competition laws by favoring selected sellers and launching exclusive online products. Amazon and Flipkart associated sellers then filed petitions in various high courts, including Karnataka, Punjab and Haryana, Delhi, Madras, etc., challenging different aspects of CCI's investigation. The CCI then filed a transfer petition in the Supreme Court seeking to consolidate all the writ petitions in order to prevent multiplicity of proceedings and delays. Also, last month, the top court had refused to transfer these petitions to Delhi High Court or a division bench of the Karnataka High Court. Today, a bench of Justices Abhay S. Oak and Ujjal Bhuya passed the order in a transfer petition filed by the CCI. The bench noted that subject matter involved in the writ petitions is the same as the petition which is being heard by a single bench of the Karnataka High Court. The bench ordered that any future petitions filed in relation to the same subject matter will also be transferred to the Karnataka High Court. The division bench of Chief Justice Suresh Kumar Kaith and Justice Vivek Jain of the Madhya Pradesh High Court has today ordered the media to not publish any fake news or misinformation regarding disposal of Union Carbide waste material at Pithampur facility. In its order last month, the court had noted that 40 years had lapsed since the Bhopal gas tragedy occurred, but toxic waste material was still lying at the now defunct Union Carbide factory. It had therefore directed the authorities to immediately clean up the site and take all remedial measures for safe disposal of the waste from the area. Today, the Advocate General presented the affidavit of compliance, stating that the waste materials were transported to Pithampur waste facility in 12 waterproof and leak-proof materials. But he said that the material had been simply lying there because there have been a lot of fake media reports regarding the disposal, which has created fear and confusion among the public. The court also noted that yes, false media reports were spreading rumors, causing a public outcry about another possible industrial disaster if the waste was disposed of at the Pithampur facility with fear of environmental harm. The state today prayed for 6 weeks' time for compliance of court's order and to carry out the exercise, which was granted by the court. And lastly, the Supreme Court has directed the Union of India to gather and provide data on the status of appointments and the selection process for judicial, technical, accounting and administrative members of tribunals across the country. This order came from a bench of Justices Surya Kant and N. Koteshwar Singh while hearing a PIL filed by the Madras Bar Association along with a petition concerning vacancies in the Armed Forces Tribunal in Chandigarh. The Attorney General has been asked to provide a report on the status of vacancies and the progress of ongoing selection processes. The court also invited suggestions from Senior Advocate Vikas Singh and other bar members on how to improve the functioning of tribunals, including the possibility of establishing circuit benches to enhance access to justice. During the hearing, Senior Advocate Vikas Singh pointed out that despite repeated assurances from the union, no significant progress had been made in filling the vacancies. He mentioned that the AFT Chandigarh currently has only one bench, with a member recently transferred without a replacement. Justice Kant then said that former Punjab and Haryana High Court Judge Justice Sudhir Mittal, now an AFT member, could provide valuable insights due to his army background. The court also emphasized the importance of timely appointments and suggested that an advanced selection process similar to the one used for NCLAT could be helpful. Justice Kant also suggested that circuit benches in regional areas could make the judicial process more accessible and cost-effective, reducing the need for retired army personnel to travel long distances for hearings. The court has given 4 weeks for the union to submit the requested data and suggestions, and the matter is scheduled to be taken up after 6 weeks now. For more information on the cases that we discussed here, you can visit our website at www.livelaw.in. Your support means the world to us. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.